Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we're making air fryer tomato soup. So let's get started. All it says to do is to put your tomatoes in here. It doesn't say to cut them up or anything. So what I'm doing is using up tomatoes in the fridge. Just put a layer in the bottom, and I'm not going to spray it or anything because it didn't tell me to. I don't know if it'll make a difference what kind of tomatoes we're using. We're also going to put in some red peppers, which are the red bell peppers. I think I'll wait on these. And we'll put in some red onions. Just going to break them up. It's not going to matter. We're going to put all this through a blender when we're done. And it said 2 heads of garlic. Don't have to cut them up or anything, just put them in there. And I have oregano, basil, and smoked paprika. And it just said to taste, so we're going small. If we need to put more in later, we will. And then salt and pepper. A generous amount of olive oil. Okay, I think that looks like enough. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to blend this until smooth. That looks much better. So I don't know just how smooth this is going to be, but I think this is how it's going to be. This is our French bread we made the other day. And we are going to make bruschetta to go with our tomato soup. I know this may not be the right kind of bread to use, but I'm going with it anyway. Folks, we have our tomato soup. Oh, that's really good. I can taste all those flavors. The tomato, the bell pepper, the garlic, the onion, and the basil. and the smoked paprika, and the oregano. So we should try it with our bruschetta. This turned out beautiful. I'm gonna dip it in here. Oh, that's good. Oh, I like that. Yeah, that's really good. The bread helps make it. I really like this, and I think you would too. Well, that's another successful video, and thank you for stopping by. If you like this channel, I would appreciate it if you would like and subscribe. That really helps out the channel. And we'll see you later.